ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ የምናየው አንድ በሀገር አቀፍ ፈተና ላይ የመጣ የኳድራቲክ ኢኩዌሽን ሶሉሽን ነው የምንፈልገው። ጥያቄው ምን ይላል? What is the solution set of the equation 6 minus 4x minus twice of x to the power of 2 which is equal to 0? A minus 1 3, B minus 3 1, C minus 6 2, D minus 2 6. Okay, to find the solution set of this equation, we have what? First rewrite the equation 6 minus 4x minus twice of x to the power of 2 which is equal to us minus twice of x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 6 which is equal to 0. Then to find the solution set of this quadratic equation, you must find two integers whose product is what? Minus 2 times positive 6 which is equal to minus 12 and p plus 4 which is equal to minus 4 which is the coefficient of what? X. Then those two numbers are p which is equal to minus 6 and q is equal to 2. Then the equation, this equation, which can be rewrite as minus 2x squared plus minus 4 means minus 6 plus 2 times x plus 6 which is equal to 0. Then minus 2x squared minus 6x and 2 times x, this 2x plus 6 which is equal to 0. Then taking minus 2x as a common factor from what? From this, the first term and second term. That means minus 2x into x plus 3 plus taking 2 as a common factor and we have 2 into x plus 3 which is equal to 0. Then minus 2x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. To find the zeros of the product of two expression, you must use the zero product rule. That means a times b is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or both a and b are which is equal to 0. Then by this zero product rule, the equation minus 2x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is minus 2x plus 2 which is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then minus 2x is equal to 2 shift to the right and we have minus 2 or 3 shift to the right and we have minus 3. Then from the first equation, dividing both sides by what? Minus 2. Dividing both sides by minus 2 and we have x is equal to 1. This is cancelled by this one and or x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the solution set of the given quadratic equation is what? Minus 3 and 1. That means the set containing minus 3 and 1.